So in this video, we are working on this MSI laptop. The model number is MS16W2. It just doesn't charge. And when he'd plug it in, it would only work at a certain angle. So based off of that, it's likely a bad charging port. This model, however, has a tiny charging port that is soldered on the motherboard. This guy. For something this small, I think it's gonna be a relatively big job. So here is what we want to replace. This tiny component. This guy makes contact with the board, these pins right here, and thus allowing the charge to pass through right here. So let's get started. So for this to work, we have to remove the entire motherboard from its assembly. Okay, let's pop this off. So this right here is the board. The charging port is this guy right here. We want to replace that with this, just like that. So for us to get to this, we'd have to completely disassemble the entire motherboard from its location. This customer saw one of our MSI laptop repairs that we did recently, a charging port. He was hoping, and so was I, that it would be the same, just a modular charging port component. Unfortunately, it was not. So we have to do a full disassembly just to get to the charging port. All right. This is the cable for the display. Okay, that's the heatsink along with the fans. We'll do a quick clean for this customer once we're done. And that's the LCD cable. That doesn't seem too bad for now. Just need to be careful with this cable and this one because these go underneath the board, it seems. And now we could, I think, work on the board. Yeah, let's work on the board. So any screws on the motherboard will be removed. Okay, wow, just 2 screws? Oh, 3. That's crazy. Only 3 screws holding down this motherboard. Oh, there's another cable right here. Speaker cable, okay. 2 cables at the bottom of the board. 3, actually. So we have this one, and that one. Okay, check this one off. That one's off. All right. Okay, we've removed the motherboard, and that is the port that we are going to be replacing right now. All right, let's get underneath the microscope and see. Okay, so I currently have, I have it at 380 degrees at 85 flow. We're just adding hot air in hopes to this solder that will just melt. This board is relatively thin, so it's not going to take too much heat to saturate this board. It should probably be done in the next maybe minute or 2. Okay, I upped the temperature to 392 and the airflow currently is at 93. Okay, it is very loose. It's gonna come off pretty soon. The board is getting saturated with heat. Okay, there it is. Removed. So we're gonna add some flux. This allows the temperature of the boiling point of the solder to melt quicker now, to lower that temperature. Man, we're gonna have to try another method. Just gonna remove the solder on this board. We're gonna do this from the bottom. It's not. Why is this all giving me a headache? Okay. Okay, it's done. Oh man, this was a doozy. Let's put this RAM stick back. Okay, now let's connect all the cables back in place. Okay, those cables plugged in. Let's drop down the board. Now that we've soldered on the new charging port on this motherboard, we're gonna go ahead and reassemble and we'll test. Everything seems to be in place. We'll just screw everything back in. And let's test and install the battery. And fingers crossed we resolved the customer's issue. Okay, battery plugged in, dropping the battery in place. Okay, will this work or will it not work? Let's test. So we click this in, say Bismillah. Do we have any light indicators? Oh, I think that's good. Not sure if it's supposed to turn amber or not, but that's good. Let's take it off. turned off. Okay, good. I think we got it done. So let's close it up, at least so the hinges can stay in place. I need to clean, okay, we'll clean it once I'm done testing this. Okay, I think that's enough for the screws. We need that light on again. Before I do that, let's turn it on. All right, it's on. Was our job successful? Okay, we want to keep an eye out on the battery. All right, Bismillah. Tell me it's on. We got it. Complicated repair, but we got it. And I'm moving it. Looks good. Happy to hear that. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the fans for this customer, and we'll close it back up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know down below if you have a computer similar to the same as this with the same issue, or if you need any assistance, we'll be more than happy to help you guys out. You can always find us on our website at www.myinstafix.com. We have mail-in forms. If you have laptops similar to this with the same issue, feel free to stop by or just mail it to us. Peace.